Hey, what's up? What's up? So I got a secret for you right now, and I need to tell you this because not a lot of people know about this. So I want to share this with you. So as soon as you get it, I want you to run with it. I'm going to show you how to get paid cash to search websites and Google. So I'm going to show you how you can earn like $10 per hour just by doing this. So a lot of people don't know. So I want you to get ahead of the game. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I need you to subscribe because I'm going to drop the bomb right now. So yeah, welcome. This is your first time here. My name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So as I said before, I'm going to show you how to get paid cash to search websites and Google. So you're going to earn $10 per hour doing this. And there's a few different ways I'm going to show you. And there's a couple of different websites. So don't try to skip ahead. Don't miss out on the most important part of this video, which is showing you multiple different websites that you can go where you can earn these $10 per hour. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video. Let's jump into it right now. Let's go. So as mentioned earlier, you're going to get paid cash to search websites and Google. So yes, this is my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe because every time I come out with a brand new video, and you don't want to miss out, because most of these methods that I'm going to share with you, you can, after the video, you can apply them and you can start making money right away, like instantly. So the first website that I want to share with you is a website that is called askwonder.com. So become a researcher. Yes, they're paying you right now to search different websites, to search on Google. This is what they are paid to do. So if someone have a website, they want you to go on there and give feedback. So if you look over here, these are some of the companies that they've worked with currently and in the past, like Citibank, Bloomberg, there's Staples, there's AARP. So these are top companies that are out there, and I'm sure you probably heard of them before. So if you want to become a part of the team, it's more of like you want to check out like their stats, the spreadsheets, see how the website is trending. Is the website moving too slow? Is it moving too fast? They'll give you keywords that you need to search for, and they'll ask you questions. You're going to analyze, and that's how it works. That's all they're going to be doing. And it's a company that people pay for the service. So if someone wants to pay for their service, it would start at $29. Now, you're not going to pay for that. What you're going to do is you're going to join the research analysis team. So earn while you learn, and you join the team. So if you click on here, once you click on it, you can join the community, put your first name, put your last name, pop your email address there. Make sure you come up with a password, and it will ask you what city that you live in. So if you're in the US, this is going to be working for you. For my international, I'm going to give you another website that you can go and you can do this as well. But you can sign up, you earn while using your brain, you work when you want, you learn, and you expand your resume and your mind. So they want you, and they're going to ask you to do, again, a few different tasks, and it's all about search related. So how it works, you visit the research dashboard and ready to get start working. They will assign you requests to work on. So they will send you something on that dashboard, what you need to do. You find answers, sources, synthesize your findings. Of course, you're going to put it together, submit your work, and then you celebrate. Then, of course, you're not going to just put two words here or there. You want to make sure that you do it the right way, and people can apply online, you get accepted, and you start researching. So just like I said, you apply right there, and then once you get accepted, you can get started immediately. Now, the website that I want to share with you, the next website is Lionbridge. And Lionbridge, more of an international, it is worldwide, also in the US and Canada. So just come on to lionbridge.com, and they do the same thing too. They try to connect customers on multiple different platforms, and that's how they get their job done. So they find different problems, they give it to you, they let you work on it, you find the solutions, and you want to make sure everything is congruent. As long as everything works the way they want it, and they have you give them a great job, yes, you'll get paid. So this is more of like a job style, but it's more of a freelance. So freelance slash job, right? You're not gonna clock in and all that. So if you scroll down here, you click on where it says uh, crowd crowd platform, over 500,000 trainers, raters, there's testers in different locations around the world. Once you click on it, it's just gonna automatically, whoops, it's going to, hang on one second. It's going to automatically send you right here to this website that is called thesmartcrowd.com. So when you come on here, if you view, there's Canada, there's United States, there's um, South America like Argentina, there's Brazil, Colombia, you name it, they have it. Over here, there's Kenya, Morocco, South Africa. Down here, there's Austria, all these different countries. So just click on here, find your country, see if it's gonna work for you, and you can start right away. So just click on it, and let's say for United States, if we click on the United States, you'll see work from home as an ads assessor. So they want you to find ads online, whatever job they give you. You have to look at the ad, see if the ad is performing, right? Is it actually going to, you know, does the ad, is the ad performing well? Sorry. So is the ad performing well? Stuff like that. Information, US personalized ads evaluator. This is a Japanese requirement. So if you speak Japanese, you can sign up. This one is for German. If you speak German, this is for US. If you speak French, if you speak Spanish, if you speak English, speak English, speak English. So these ones are in the US, but they're looking for people who are bilingual. So if you speak any one of these languages and you're in the US, that could be good for you. So if I click on here as a work from home ads assessor, if I click on it, here are some of the requirements that you're going to need. You got to be in the United States. It's just going to be part-time. So if you already have a full-time job, you want to do this part-time, that'd be good. So how it works is it's 20 hours per week. Availability, minimum role is 20, maximum is, um, sorry, minimum is 10, maximum is 20. It has to be flexible. You got to work from home. You work on your own hours. Payments will be based on completion of agreement. So to get the work done, yes, you're going to get paid. So this is more of like freelance independent contractor, as I told you before. You got to be good in English. You got to be in the US for a period of 5 years, working and living there, unfortunately. You do keen interest in researching, you go on blogging, you go on forum, websites, flexibility, preferred education, certification. This one is going to require a bachelor. What they want from you, work from home, you need a computer. So some of them, yes, it needs, some of them will ask for a degree and some won't. So you just got to sift through and see what, you know, which one of the jobs don't need that stuff. So here's another great website, and this one is called Team. It's Teamwork without the A, no, double E, and they have lots of jobs. This is worldwide jobs available nationwide, worldwide. There's Japan, there's Lithuania, there's the Philippines. Online ad evaluator, that's what they're looking for. They're looking for people in India, there's in Germany, there's Switzerland, there's Morocco, Algeria, German, and you can click on to the next page and you can see all the jobs that are listed. So Team is another place where you can get paid to search websites, you get to search Google, you get to search blogs. So they just pay you to search. You're just searching, and that's how you're going to be making money, which is awesome. So you can look at it. For example, you click on the online evaluator for the Philippines, right? You will see all the criteria down here. And some of these jobs, especially on team.com, they don't need a college degree or anything. So you don't need it. Most of them, you don't need any degree, no technicality job. Your feedback, right? Excuse me, is what you need. Fluent level proficiency in English, residing permanently in the Philippines. You have to be in the Philippines. Computer, gotta have a computer. You gotta be capable of working flexible schedule conditions, and you got to be 18. So employment, 10 to 25 hours per week. It is flexible, part-time, independent contractor as well. Click on here and apply, and you'll get the job. If you apply and they said, "Hey, you're good to go," then that'll be brilliant. So yes, team.ai is a good place for you to go, and you can sign up for it. So the next website that I want to share with you is Appen. Appen is still working. I've talked about this website before. They're still paying, and it's more of such as like human intelligence. So they need you to do most of the work. Of course, there's computer out there, and computer can find things, but there's nothing better than a human touch, because some things are required from a human. And all you have to do is just see what they have to offer. There's over 130 plus people working in countries, over 600 different employees. So if you want to be a part of this and you want to look at the career, click on the career section. There's raters, there's language jobs, there's micro jobs, there's corporate jobs. So if I were you, I'll go for the raters, or if you do speak any other languages, apply for this, or you could do micro jobs. So raters, you can click on it. It's more of home base. You can see what they're looking for. They're seeking for people in like different countries. As you can see, looking for search media evaluation, translation, transcription, survey, speech evaluations. Applicants must be self-motivated and at least internet savvy. So what country you live in, you just fill it out here. Once you fill it out, right, they're gonna let you know as soon as they are ready for it. So Appen is a great location that you can come and sign up. So sign up for it, see what they have to offer, and you're gonna treat this as a job. So it is a job slash independent contractor. Of course, it's not something that you can live life on your own terms, because say, all right, here's what you need to do. You need to work 8 hours this week. And what if there's a nice day out and you need to go somewhere? Well, hey, you got to stay and work. And that's the only thing with those, with these kind of jobs. Yeah, they're good, but you have to, you always still got to rely on someone for your income. So if you're looking for a better way, a much better way of what I'm doing, how I'm able to be full-time at home, working from home, being able to make the money that I want, do the things that I want, and set up my life for my family and my future, because my wife and I, we both work from home. So check out the first link in the description and see what we have to offer. And if it's something that you want to do, then great. If not, hey, we wish you nothing but the best. So catch you on the next video. Check out the next video about free PayPal money, all right, websites, how you can get paid from PayPal. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.